सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatima. I am studying UKG class. I wish you all happy Independence Day. On this day, India was freedom. We remember a great leader like Gandhiji and Gandhiji. I love my very much. Thank you.